And there we have it. We have gone through our agreed upon procedures. This won't be the last time we're seeing it. We'll obviously see agreed upon procedures sprinkled all throughout the other lessons here and there as needed. But in summary, what are our main points here? Well, we want to be familiar with the various types and purposes of the agreed upon procedures engagement, understanding when it's needed, when it would be wanted, and what is going to be the end result. Similarly, point two, understand the requirements needed to conduct these engagements, as well as the end results. Going to be pretty important, making sure you understand it through and through. But I have faith in you. I think you will. That being said, it has been my pleasure to walk you through this lesson, and I will see you in the next one. Hey there. Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.